Hello friends, আজি মই আপোনালোকক ফিউচাৰ টেন্সৰ বিষয়ে ক'বলৈ ওলাইছো। ফিউচাৰ টেন্স ক'ত কেনেকৈ ব্যৱহাৰ হয়, সেন্টেন্সবোৰ কেনেকুৱা তাৰ গোটেই ডিটেইলছবোৰ কম। প্লিজ ভিডিঅ'টো অকণমানো স্কিপ নকৰাকৈ গোটেইটো চাব। ফিউচাৰ টেন্স, সিম্পল ফিউচাৰ অৰ ফিউচাৰ ইনডিফিনিট টেন্স। ফিউচাৰ টেন্সৰ যিবিলাক সেন্টেন্স থাকে সেই সেন্টেন্সবোৰ লিখাৰ ফৰ্মুলাটো হ'ল সাবজেক্ট প্লাস সেল বা উইল প্লাস প্ৰেজেন্ট টেন্স অফ দ্য ভাৰ্ব প্লাস অবজেক্ট। ইয়াত I টো হ'ল সাবজেক্ট, দেন I লগত সেল ইউজ হৈছে, সেল বা উইলৰ ভিতৰত, দেন প্ৰেজেন্ট টেন্স অফ দ্য ভাৰ্ব। ভাৰ্বটো V1 means present tense, ইয়াতে ইউজ হৈছে go, object to Delhi next week. I shall go to Delhi next week. The uses of simple future tense are shall is used with the first person and will is used with the second and the third person to indicate the simple future. Shall first personৰ লগত ইউজ হয় আৰু will second আৰু third personৰ লগত ইউজ হয় simple future tenseত। Examples: I shall go to the market tomorrow. We shall go to the theater this evening. You will read the book in the library tomorrow. They will play football this afternoon. She will sing a song in the function next week. Yet I shall go to the market tomorrow. I to whole subject, then yate shall aru will of the shall use karon shall to first person, then go V1 present verb, to the market tomorrow is object. And to shall can be used also with the second and the third person if the sentence indicates a promise, command, warning or prohibition. Shall to second or third person logoto use hoy jodi sentence to promise kora বা order command kora বা warning dia bujai tetia. Examples: she shall get an award for her bravery. You shall do it by tomorrow definitely. He shall suffer for it. You shall not make a noise here. Yet she shall get an award for her bravery. It will let a promise for a sentence. So yate she to whole subject and shall, she to third person hoise to promise kor sentence karone yate hekarone yat she logot shall use hoise, then get to V1 present tense an award for her bravery object. 3. Will can be used also in the first person when the sentence indicates determination, promise or the strong intention of the speaker. Will first person or logot use hoy jetia sentence to promise kora ba determination ba speaker jonor strong intention bujai. Example: I will study hard and secure the first position. Eto sentence to hold determination. I will face the problem and overcome it. Eto sentence to hold the strong intention of the speaker. Then I will give you a prize for your honesty. It will a promise. Yate I will give you a prize for your honesty. Yate I to whole subject, then will ekane use hoise karon ei sentence to promise kora bujaise, to first person log karone will use hoise, then give whole V1 you a prize for your honesty object and complement. Or if the sentence has two subjects and the first person is the second subject, then we must always use will in the sentence. Examples: he and I will go to the market tomorrow. You and I will solve the matter tomorrow. Together. Conjugation of the verb play. Play verb to simple future tense kenka use hoy tar table kon hol first person or I shall play, then we shall play. Second person or singular number you will play, then plural number to you will play. Then third person or singular number he or she or it will play, then plural number to they will play. In interrogative sentences, shall is used with the first person. Example: shall I go to the market, shall we go to the doctor. Interrogative sentence thakile tate first person logot shall use hoy. Future continuous tense. Future continuous tense টেন্সৰ যিবিলাক সেন্টেন্স থাকে তাৰে সেন্টেন্সবোৰ লিখা ফৰ্মুলাটো হ'ল pattern of the sentence subject plus shall be or will be plus ing verb plus object. ইয়াতে verb টো V1 হ'ব means present tense হ'ব যেনে I to whole subject then shall be first person because shall be used হৈছে and do to whole V1 present tense তাৰ লগ ing plus হৈছে the work is object. The future continuous tense is used to express an action going on in the future. It can be used with or without a definite time for the near or distant future. It shows an action that will happen as a normal event. Examples: I shall be meeting him at 7 tomorrow. You will be leaving for Delhi in half an hour. You will be learning Assamese till next December. You will be playing for the Indian team till next year. I shall be working till 11 p.m. tonight. Yet, I shall be meeting him at 7 tomorrow. At I to whole subject then shall be first person karne yate shall be use hoise. Then yate meet to V1 tar log ing plus hoise him at 7 tomorrow etu whole object. I shall be waiting for you this time tomorrow. You will be completing 32 years this month. Conjugation of the verb talk. Future continuous tense talk verb to keneka use hoy tare table khon hol tar example table khon hol first person singular number I shall be talking, plural number we shall be talking, then second person you will be talking and plural number hobo you will be talking same. Then third person singular number he or she or it will be talking, then plural number they will be talking. Next, future perfect tense. Future perfect tense sentence bur likha formula hol pattern of the sentence subject plus shall have or will have plus past participle means V3 plus object. That he whole subject will have he to third person ekani yar logot will use hoise then have will have done do verb or V3 form whole done. Then the work by tomorrow etu whole object. The future perfect tense is used to indicate an action that will be completed at or before a particular time in the future. Examples: the booking counter will have closed by evening. The old lady will have taken her dinner by 9:30. The birds will have flown before winter. You will have joined the office by the first week of April. You will have left the place before you go to see him. Yet, the old lady will have taken her dinner by 9:30. Yet, the old lady is all subject. Then, will have as given in the formula. The old lady is third person kan yar logot will have used hoise. Then, take or V3 form whole taken. And her dinner by 9:30 is object. Conjugation of the verb eat. Eat verb to future perfect tense kenaka use hoy tare example table khon hol first person singular number I shall have eaten, plural number we shall have eaten. Second person singular number you will have eaten, plural number to you will have eaten. Then third person singular number he or she or it will have eaten, then plural number they will have eaten. Next, D. Future perfect continuous tense. Future perfect continuous tense or jibut sentence thake hebur likha formula to hol pattern of the sentence subject plus shall or have or will have plus been plus ing verb plus object of verb to hobo V1 means present tense. Yeah, I to subject then shall have karon I to first person hikane yar logot shall use hoise hikane shall have then been as given in the formula work is V1 or present tense, then work or logot ing plus hoise in the morning is object. The use of future perfect continuous tense. It is used to denote an action that began in the past, is continuing in the present and will also continue in the future. Examples: the interview will have been continuing. when you pass the final examination, you will have been studying in this college for 2 years. The ship will have been waiting for 4 days before it reaches the Andamans. The workers will have been sitting idle for a week by tomorrow. I shall have been reading this book for a week by next month. At the interview will have been continuing. At the interview is a subject, then will have is given in the formula. It third person hobo kan yate will have use hoise, then been is given in the formula. Then continue to hold v1 talok ing plus hoise continuing. Conjugation of the verb run verb to future perfect continuous tense কেনেকৈ ইউজ হয় তাৰে টেবল এক্সাম্পল খন হল ফাৰ্স্ট পাৰ্সনত সিঙ্গুলাৰ নাম্বাৰ I shall have been running, plural number we shall have been running. Then second personot singular number you will have been running, then plural number you will have been running. Third personot singular number he or she or it will have been running, then plural number they will have been running. এবাৰ মই আপোনালোকক ফিউচাৰ টেন্সৰ future not present and past tenseৰ কিছুমান সেন্টেন্স এতে মিক্স হৈ আছে এইবোৰ কেনেকৈ কৰে তাৰে এক্সাম্পল দেখাম The Bible say love of money is the root of all evils. The Bible says love of money is the root of all evils. Ate say verb to say so কাৰণ to simple present tense sentence. When I went to the room, the baby crying. When I went to the room, the baby was crying. It when as a karne yat was crying use hobo. Then the earth revolved round the sun. The earth revolves around the sun. Etu universal truth ekarne yat etu simple present tense sentence. Etu ekarne yat revolves use hobo. 10 years passed since I met you last. 10 years had passed since I met you last. If I be you, I should accept the offer. If I were you, I should accept the offer. I wish I knew all this. I wish I had known all this. এতিয়া এইখিনি আছিল আজিৰ ফিউচাৰ টেন্সৰ ওপৰত আপোনাৰ ডিটেইলছ সো প্লিজ ভিডিওটো সম্পূৰ্ণকৈ চাব যদি আপোনালোকৰ ভাল লাগে তেতিয়া এটা লাইক কৰি দিব আৰু মোৰ চেনেলটো সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি দিব আৰু লগতে আপোনালোকে আপোনাৰ ফ্ৰেন্ড বিলাককো শেয়াৰ কৰিব পাৰে যদি আপোনালোকৰ ভিডিওটো চাই ভাল লাগে মই আগতে দুটা ভিডিও দিছো মোৰ চেনেলত past tense আৰু present tense ওপৰত আপোনালোকে যদি এই দুটা ভিডিও চোৱা নাই এতিয়ালৈকে এই দুটা ভিডিও চাই ল'ব তেতিয়া আপোনালোকে গোটেই টেন্সৰ ফৰ্মুলাখিনি ভালকে বুজি পাব সো নেক্সট আৰু এটা নিউ ভিডিওৰ সৈতে আপোনালোকক লগ পাম সো তেতিয়ালৈ বাই টেক কেয়াৰ